Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the world of YouTube faceless content with 7 amazing channel ideas for your success. But first, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated. Number 1. Voiceover Virtuoso. Create captivating content using only your voice for storytelling, narration, or commentary. Establish a unique connection with your viewers. Number 2. Do you love tech? Maybe this is the one for you? Tech Unbox-er. Dive into gadgets, tech reviews, and unboxings without showing your face. Your audience gets information, and you stay behind the scenes. Number 3. Be the DIY Maestro. Share your creativity through DIY projects, crafting tips, and home improvement without being on camera. Who says you need to be seen to inspire? 4. Is gaming your passion? Become a gaming guru. Explore the gaming world, share strategies, and entertain with gameplay commentary. Your gaming expertise takes center stage. Number 5. Animated Explorer. Bring stories, experiences, or educational content to life with animation. Your animated persona captivates without revealing your face. Number 6. Maybe you love to travel? Become a travel expert. Share travel adventures, tips, and cultural insights through voiceovers and captivating footage. Explore the world while keeping your identity private. Number 7. Educational Enigma. Share knowledge, tutorials, and educational content without showing your face. Let your expertise shine. Let us know which idea resonates with you in the comments. If you find a topic that you would like us to expand on, please do not be shy. We are here to help. Don't forget to like, because this tells the YouTube algorithm to show this short to others who have the same passion. Also, share with fellow creators. So until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.